What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a quick video because my phone is dying. So we got the brand new Tomei right here. Just unboxed it. Pure art. Get rid of this stock exhaust. I put a sound clip. I'll do it before and after. This is so you're about to hear the before clip. It's too quiet for me, and so yeah, we're gonna get this knocked out real quick before the sun goes down. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I got the exhaust on. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. Also, I have bad rear wheel bearings. That explains the sway I have at high speeds. So I'm gonna have to take care of that this weekend because I want to keep driving on bad wheel bearings. Crap. The car has new wheel bearings, but I guess either it was a bad brand or they weren't installed correctly. I'm gonna see if I could find some of OEM 350z because I don't want to use anything else other than OEM. But yeah, boys, I'll give you a cold start. Alright guys, there you have it. I had to go away to do the revving just because my neighbors are here and I don't want to be annoying. But yeah, it sounds really good, especially since it has resonated test pipes. It sounds great. Good. I'm gonna have to get that reflective tape, not the reflective tape, what the hell am I talking? The heat wrap thing, so I can put it around the bumper and not ruin the bumper. I do not want to burn that, so I'm gonna go buy the one, a little roll this weekend. So yeah guys, Z's looking nice. So yeah, this weekend I'm gonna have to take care of those wheel bearings. Can't be driving like that. That totally explains the sway in the rear. Like if at 60 I do like a little pull or something, it will sway really bad in the back. So for sure I need wheel bearings. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to make it quick. My phone is dying. I have like 5%, and I'll see you guys in the next one.